Most Shopify stores don't look bad because of the product, they look bad because of the theme. And the worst part is people think they need a designer or a paid theme to fix it. You don't. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best free Shopify themes you can use right now to build a store that actually looks clean, trustworthy, and ready to sell. And more importantly, I'll show you how to pick the right one so you don't waste time building something you're just going to redo later. I'm Erin from Shopify Mastery. Let's get into it. Why these themes feel pre-built. Here's what most people don't realize about Shopify themes. You're not starting from scratch. These themes already come structured like real stores. They already have home pages laid out, product pages designed, sections for reviews, images, and offers. So you're not building a store from zero. You're basically replacing content. You swap in your product, your photos, your branding, and you already have something that looks clean and professional. That's why people are able to launch stores so fast. It's not because they're better at design, it's because they're using themes that are already built to convert. Why your theme actually matters more than you think. When people start a Shopify store, they usually focus on the product, the ads, or the supplier, but what they don't realize is your theme controls how everything is actually presented. It affects how your product pages look, how easy your site is to navigate, how fast it loads, and most importantly, how trustworthy your store feels. And that last part matters more than anything. Customers decide in seconds if your store looks legit or not. So even if you have a really good product, a messy layout or a bad theme will kill your conversions. The goal isn't just to pick something that looks nice, it's to pick something that's built to actually sell. What Shopify themes actually do. Before jumping into the list, it helps to understand what a Shopify theme actually is. At a basic level, your theme is your store's layout and structure. It controls your homepage, your product pages, your collection pages, your navigation, and how everything looks on mobile. And the best part is Shopify themes are built so you don't need to code anything. You can drag and drop sections, edit text, change colors, and upload your branding. So instead of building a website from scratch, you're starting with something that already works. That's why choosing the right theme upfront saves you a lot of time and prevents you from constantly rebuilding your store later. What makes a good free theme? Not all free themes are equal, and this is where people mess up. A good theme really comes down to three things. First, it needs to be clean and easy to navigate. If your customers feel confused at any point, they are going to leave. Second, it has to be mobile friendly because most of your traffic is going to come from your phone. And third, it needs to load fast. A slow store will kill your conversions before people even see your product. Everything else like colors, fonts, and branding can be customized. But those three things, clarity, mobile experience, and speed, are non-negotiable if you actually want your store to convert. If your theme is slow, cluttered, or confusing, it doesn't matter how good your product is, people will leave before they even understand what you're selling. Theme number one, Dawn. Dawn is the most popular free Shopify theme, and honestly, it's the safest choice for most people. It's built by Shopify, which means it's optimized for speed, performance, and conversions right out of the box. The design is very minimal, and that's actually what makes it so effective. It keeps the focus on the product instead of distracting people with too many designs or elements. Your images stand out more, your messaging is clearer, and the overall experience feels cleaner. It also supports large product images, clean product pages, sticky headers, and fast load speeds, which all directly impact how well your store converts. If you're dropshipping, building a brand, or just want something reliable that works without overthinking it, this is the one to start with. If you're unsure what to choose, Dawn will not hold you back. Theme number two, Refresh. Refresh is a strong option if your product needs a bit more explanation or trust before someone buys. This is especially important for products where people care about what's inside, how it works, or whether it's safe. So if you're selling things like skincare, supplements, or anything health related, this theme helps you present that information clearly. It's designed to highlight things like ingredients, benefits, testimonials, and certifications in a way that feels structured and easy to understand. Instead of just showing a product, you're helping the customer feel confident in their decision, and that's what increases conversions for products that aren't impulse buys. It also has strong promo sections and callouts, so you can guide attention exactly where you want it. If your product requires requires a little bit more trust building, this theme does that really well. Theme number 3, Spotlight. Spotlight is one of those simplest themes Shopify offers, and that's exactly why it works so well. It removes almost all complexity and lets you focus on getting your store live as quickly as possible. A lot of people get stuck trying to design everything perfectly before they even test their product. This theme avoids that completely. It's built so you can launch fast, start getting traffic, and figure out what actually works. It includes quick buy features, simple layouts, and clean product pages, which is really all you need in the beginning. If your goal is speed, testing, and not overthinking design, this is one of the best options. It helps you take action instead of getting stuck tweaking your store for weeks. Honestly, most people watching this don't need a better theme. They just need to stop overthinking and launch. And this is the theme that forces you to do that. Theme number 4, Craft. Craft works really well for products that rely heavily on visuals and overall brand feel. If your product looks good in photos and has a certain aesthetic, this theme helps bring that out. This is really useful for things like handmade products, home decor, jewelry, or anything where the design and presentation matter just as much as the product itself. It has a softer, more editorial feel, which makes your store feel like a real brand instead of a generic template. And that difference is important because customers can feel when something looks more intentional. It also includes image-focused layouts, storytelling sections, and clean galleries, so you can show your product in a more elevated way. If your brand is visual, this theme helps you lean into that. Theme number 5, Scents. Scents is another strong option, especially if you want your store to feel polished without being overcomplicated. It's clean like dawn, but it has a little bit more personality built into the design. This works really well for beauty brands or products where branding and presentation matter. It gives you more structure for showing product benefits, visuals, and messaging in a way that feels intentional. It also supports features like enhanced search, better navigation, and more structured product pages, which improves the overall user experience. If you want something that feels slightly more designed but still simple enough to manage, this is a really solid balance. Theme number 6, Studio. Now, Studio is built for creators and personal brands. If your identity is part of what you're selling, this theme helps you highlight that. So instead of focusing only on products, it gives you space to show content, tell your story, and build a connection with your audience. And that's important if people are buying into you, not just what you're selling. So if you're an influencer or if you're selling digital products or building a brand around yourself, this theme supports that kind of setup. It shifts the focus from just products to the overall brand experience. Theme number 7, Origin. Origin is very simple, and that's exactly why it works. It removes distractions and puts all of the attention on the product itself. This is especially useful for single product stores or smaller catalogs where you don't need a lot of extra sections or complexity. Sometimes simpler converts better because there's less for the customer to think about. They land on your page, understand the product, and decide quickly. If you don't need anything fancy and just want something clean and focused, this theme does that really well. Theme number 8, Publisher. Publisher is built for brands that rely more on storytelling and messaging. This is important when your product isn't just about what it is, but what it represents. If you're selling things like books, art, music, or anything creative, this theme gives you more space to explain, tell a story, and build context around your product. Instead of just showing items, you're building a narrative that helps people connect with what you're offering. And that's really important because in those types of niches, people don't just buy products, they buy meaning, identity, or emotion, and this theme supports that kind of experience. If you want to check out the themes that I showed here, I'll have a link below to this page so you can go through them yourself and see which one fits your store. How to choose the right theme. The easiest way to choose a theme is to match it to your current goal instead of trying to find the perfect one. Start by asking yourself what you're actually selling and how people are going to buy it. If your product is very visual, something like Craft or Dawn will work well because it highlights images clearly. If your product needs more trust or explanation, then something like Refresh or Sense will help you present that information better. If your main goal is to launch quickly and test, go with Spotlight so you don't get stuck designing. And if you care more about building a brand from the start, then Sense or Craft will give you more control over how your store feels. Most people waste time switching themes later because they overthink this part. Just pick one that matches your current stage and move forward. Common mistakes people make. There are two big mistakes people make when choosing a theme. The first is over designing. They add too many colors, too many sections, animations everywhere, and it ends up looking cluttered instead of professional. When that happens, it actually hurts conversions because the customer doesn't know where to focus. The second mistake is thinking the theme will fix everything. It won't. A theme helps with layout and presentation, but it doesn't replace a strong product, a good offer, or clear messaging. At the end of the day, a clean theme with a strong product will always outperform a fancy theme with a weak setup. Final recommendation. If you want the simplest answer, start with Dawn. It's reliable, clean, and works for most stores without overthinking it. If you care more about branding and how your store feels, then go with Sense or Craft. And if your goal is to launch fast and start testing right away, Spotlight is the easiest option. That's really it. Don't overcomplicate the step. The best theme isn't the most advanced one, it's the one you actually launch with. Most people don't fail because they chose the wrong theme. They fail because they spend too much time tweaking things and never actually launch. So pick one, set it up, and start testing. And if you want to check out the themes that I showed here, I'll have a link below to this page so you can go through them yourself and see which one fits your store. You can always improve your design later once you know what's working. If you're stuck right now, don't just watch another video, just pick one of these themes and launch. That's the difference between people who make money with Shopify and people who stay researching. And if you want to actually build this step by step, I'll leave a link below so you can get started. I'm Erin from Shopify Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.